Yeah, well, let's rise and shine. Glenn Washington, the man with the big smash that give me glory and rise and shine coming at you. Good day, good evening, good night all my peoples, not here in California, the Bay Area. We represented Reggae and the Move, Roger Muffin back at you again. I'm bringing it to you live on the record Ashkenaz on the 29th of November. You know, that's the real family date after Thanksgiving. We eat with turkey and we do all we whatnot and we give out a place for Friday night. Saturday night is the family night. You got Glenn Washington, the man. The family man Glenn Washington will be in town performing It's Like Rise and Shine and give Jah glory.
We're going to hit you at the Ashkenaz in Berkeley. So come on out and participate. It's going to be a full house. Check it out.
We doing it. Come on out. Thanksgiving weekend. Northern Cali tour. Glenn Washington in town. Ashkenaz, November 29. Pier 23, November 28. Come and see it. Me hope me see you there. Remember, ask for Roger Muffin. I told you that on this commercial. Come and see it. Thanksgiving tour. Bless her. Keeping meditation, my soul is so light. Won't you run me into love tonight? Keep when my wife is gonna think I never cry. It's alright. So when you do try to be a good time, so they get protection and the blessings. Everyone along you better know who you are. Stop your foolishness or you're gon' hit fire. You're gon' get fire.
Who we go for run? For that door. Some brother jump in a bed with fire. Who are like Hannah says some fire. Fire. How fun, spear done. Fire. One play, can't play, happy day. Fire. I see a